Okay, today we're going to take a look at a Zippo. Now this design is about a year old. Let's take a fast look at it. Now this one came in the normal Zippo black box. And on the back it says Made in America sign. So there is the Zippo that says Made in America on kind of a rustic looking sign. And you can see right down there, there's a map of the U.S. and it says the land of the free. Now this one was made in B of 16. That's February of last year. And it's on a street chrome body. Really good sound. Steel insert. Fires up nice. That is the Made in America Zippo, but specifically it's made in the USA because Brazil, Canada, and Mexico are all in America. But these are made in Bradford, PA, and as it stands, it's made in the USA. So there's the Made in America Zippo. It's a great lighter. Let's do a drop test on this thing. We'll do it lit. See if it stays lit. Okay, so this one stays lit from about 2 feet. That is the Made in America Zippo. That is a good one. And since every Zippo is made in the USA, they deserve a little cowbell. And knuckle bump.